Welcome back to the CoinPanel tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore CoinPanel's Stop Limit Order. This feature helps you overcome the common restrictions set by exchanges, giving you unmatched flexibility. Let's dive in. Let's explore the three main advantages CoinPanel's Stop Limit Order gives you. First, we allow you to place your order at any desired price, no limits set by exchanges. Secondly, this order doesn't lock your funds. And third, these trades are invisible on exchange order books. Let's explore each one of these advantages you can get. Let's demonstrate one of the killer features that sets CoinPanel apart: our Stop Limit Order. Many exchanges won't let you place a limit order at any desired price. Even when they do, they often reserve the corresponding asset on deposit. For example, let's say we want to buy some Bitcoin at $17,500, but when trying to do this, Binance says the price can't be lower than $19,000. Of course, this right now is an unrealistic scenario for Bitcoin, but prices on altcoins with its huge price range certainly could be some loss opportunities. But CoinPanel helps you overcome these obstacles. Go to your quick trade card. First, let's set a trigger price at $18,500. Then place a limit order at the desired price of $17,500, the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Place the order and keep your asset unreserved until the price is reached. In addition, keep your order invisible in the exchange order book. You don't play poker with your hand shown to everybody, right? This way, you didn't just set a price target at your desired price. You also keep your funds unreserved until the target price is reached, and in addition to it, keeping your orders invisible gives you a significant edge. While some exchanges offer dark order books, they often charge higher fees, and not all traders can access them. With CoinPanel, you get the same advantage without any additional cost. Ready to maximize your crypto earnings? Subscribe to CoinPanel for the most advanced trading platform available. Try it now for free.